There was very limited money. उन पैसों में से ही I had to travel, I had to eat, and treat my girlfriend then.
Rahul, welcome to Neeta Bhasin Show.
Thank you, Neeta. Thank you so much.
And congratulations. You
Thank you
are
very much.
Big Boss runner-up and you are engaged with
Well, I'm not engaged yet, but yes, I am dating Disha. But we're not engaged yet, but half of the world thinks we are married and the other half thinks we're engaged, and very few think that we are a couple. But as of now, we are just a couple. We want to get married soon, but let's see what happens with the current given situation.
You think you made a right decision, Big Boss mein aane ka?
Absolutely, I don't think I could have uh, chosen to do a show like Big Boss uh, at a better time than what I chose to. Because I'll tell you what, Big Boss has been getting offered to me every season, but I chose to do it, uh, the last year because see, I'm a singer performer. We do events all over the world, but because of COVID, there were no live events happening, and that's when I thought that probably this was the best time to do a show like Big Boss, because there was nothing else happening. So, what a better time than doing the show this year?
You were, I think, 9 or 10 years old when you started participating in the reality shows. Sare
That's
Gaon
correct.
Champ, aapka
No,
first.
no. I mean, I started as a child artist in a few shows. There, at that point of time, there weren't reality shows. They were just television shows. So, to name a few, I did Chalti Ka Naam Antakshari. I did Rose Up Antakshari, which Mr. Anu Kapoor used to host. And I have done Star Yar Kalakar, which was hosted by Farida Jalalji, and quite a few other. As a young kid, I have done that. And then at that point of time, I used to sing, jingles like ad films. So I used to sing as a child artist for these various uh, brands and companies. I have done jingles for them. And at that point of time, I used to learn from Mr. Suresh Wadkar and his wife Padma Wadkar at their institute in Juhu, Mumbai. And that's where I have taken my formal training of music from them. And it's been a beautiful journey.
इस पूरी जर्नी में कौन सा आप कहेंगे कि एक शो या एक इवेंट आप कहेंगे कि this was the best or this is the best of my life?
Exactly 15 years ago, Anita, I did the first season of Indian Idol 1. So that is what transformed my life from a college going student to a popular singer. And in that too, in about 5, 6 months, suddenly a lower middle class boy who barely had money to have breakfast, or when I used to go out for my singing competitions, there was very limited money that I had with me to firstly travel. तो उन पैसों में से ही I had to travel, I had to eat, and treat my girlfriend then. So, usko coffee bhi unni पैसों में पिलानी थी. So, there was a lot of back and forth calculations that had to go in. But yes, I think that because because I have seen those days, that is why I'm able to enjoy these better days of my life more.
Disha said in one of the interviews that you are a calm, composed, passionate
Yeah,
person.
yeah. Till the time I'm hungry.
बिग बॉस में वो हमें काम, कंपोज्ड और पैशनेट राहुल के साथ-साथ एंग्री, फाइटिंग, ट्राइंग राहुल भी नज़र आया।
Yeah.
क्या है उस
Big
बिग
Boss
हाउस
है.
के अंदर जो लोग इतने पागल हो जाते हैं?
देखिए, I'll tell you what, it's very simple, Neeta. If there are two people, so somebody said this to me, and I think it was a brilliant explanation why shows like Big Boss are so popular all over the world. So he said to me that if there are two friends by the roadside, uh, if they're happily talking to each other, if they're having a laugh about something, nobody would even look at them. But if those two people are fighting, if they're shouting at each other, everybody would look and try to wonder what is happening, what is wrong. So similarly, Big Boss is such a show which probably gets the worst out of people. I mean, the situations are such that you end up living with absolute strangers for almost 5 months. And trust me, 5 months is a very long period for at least people like me who are very used to being in their comfort zone with my own family and friends. So that is why uh, अब छोटी छोटी चीजों के ऊपर लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं, खाने के ऊपर, अंडों के ऊपर, bathroom के ऊपर. So but that is how the show is designed to be. And now I can look back at it and smile and laugh about it, but honestly, when you are in there, honestly, it's a very tough time.
आई थिंक बिग बॉस रियलिटी से आपका इंट्रोडक्शन कराता है कि दुनिया में किस तरह के लोग हैं एंड हाउ यू हैव टू डील विद देम.
Exactly. In fact, it shows you the best mirror about your own self also. That has been my learning.
आई एग्री.
Because when you are in your comfort zone, neither nobody actually nobody bothers to tell you what your drawbacks are. And because in that house, everybody else is your competitor, so they would not leave any chance to probably pick at you and just tell you that what, this is bad about you. You this is bad. You're a horrible person. This is terrible. So everything. So that's how it works.
एंड यू सेड दैट कि ऑफ कोर्स सबने बहुत कुछ से सीखा एंड यू सेड कि मेरे बहुत सी खामियां जिनके ऊपर आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट. तो क्या आप समझते हैं कि बिग बॉस हाउस ने आपको एक ऐसी चीज सिखाई जो यू डिडंट नो योरसेल्फ दैट दिस इज माय बैड हैबिट और दिस इज माय वीकनेस एंड आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट?
Uh, the only thing that I learned from Big Boss House uh, is that you never know what a line said by you can affect, how it can affect someone else. Basically, एक आपके मुंह से कही हुई बात किसी और पे क्या असर कर सकती है, ये आपको पता नहीं होता काफी बार. And you don't bother. I, as a person, I have always been a person who is very carefree. I felt I said it, but you know what that can uh, make someone else feel is something which I've realized through the show. I mean, probably you say something with probably not even that intention. You just say it very casually, but the other person can pick it up and take it the wrong way. So it's always important that you clarify what you meant.
You used the word nepotism on that show, and you knew it that you're not on a national channel, you're an international channel. People are watching you all over the world.
Yeah.
And after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, okay,
Yeah.
many people are target in the film industry. And I don't know, somehow in my mind, ये चीज है, और I wanted to ask you, इतना बड़ा वर्ल्ड आप यूज नहीं करते अगर आप इसके विक्टिम नहीं होते.
I honestly would not want to go in that zone right now, to be very honest. But I tell you what, I got very agitated at that point of time, and I just said it. And as I've told you, I as a human being, I never plan things. ये बोलूँगा, ये नहीं बोलूँगा. जो जो दिल में है वो जुबान पर है. That's how I am as a human being, and I did it. I said it, and it's all over.
I know everybody has asked you this question. Your equation with Rubina was not really good.
Yeah.
Things will happen. You don't have to like everybody in your life.
Exactly.
And but still, आप दोनों में towards each other there was no friendship, but you guys were never against each other either. जहां पर आपको लगा कि she's right, you appreciated her, and wherever she felt, she appreciated you. I think that's also a lesson to people outside कि
Okay.
अगर आपको कोई अच्छा नहीं लगता, अगर वो कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहा है, उसको अप्रिशिएट करो।
That is how I am as a person. I mean, I may not like that person, but if he or she has done something right and deserves acknowledgement for that, I think he or she should be given that acknowledgement.
इसे बड़प्पन कहते हैं।
Nahi, badappan nahi, but I mean, I think it's just fair to be like that. I mean, कुछ नहीं जाता आपका किसी के बारे में तो अच्छी बातें बोल दो. I mean, I think so. Neeta, somebody said very nice thing to me. In today's world, to be able to be happy is the biggest luxury.
True.
You may have the words money, you may have the words glamour, name, fame, but अगर आप खुश नहीं हो, क्या फायदा? क्या फायदा? So honestly, and somebody said this to me, and I was like, oof, I was blown by it, and I was like, oh God, this is so true. I mean, all that you should strive for, and I have my own logic also to this. I always feel you do not have to search for sorrow or negativity. You know, it just comes without asking. But you have to fight for happiness. You have to strive for it, and you have to search for happiness every moment because every moment कुछ हो जाएगा यार. I'm a singer. Like every moment, I will feel कि you know what, अरे यार किसी और का गाना मेरे से better कर रहा है. किसी और को मेरे से ज़्यादा projects मिल रहे हैं. किसी और को somebody's charging more than me. So these are all the things which keep happening in life, and they're all a source of um, unhappiness. You know, and but if you are able to just kind of keep that away from your mind and your own system, and if you just try and be happy, I think it's great if you can just strive for happiness. And that's what I do as a human being, honestly. Every day, every morning when I wake up, I just stay away from things which kind of make me unhappy. And I do simple things in life which give me a lot of happiness.
Excellent. Well, you're pretty mature for your age, I have to say that.
I don't think maturity comes with age. I just feel it comes with experience. The sooner uh, the sooner you realize what is important in life, I think the better for you.